So now I'm going to present to you the course pro forma for software design, MES3043. So this course is 3 credit hours. So let's go to the synopsis. This course is intended to equip students with the knowledge and skills, focusing on the fundamental design principle needed in the development of a system. So what does it mean? It means, if you still remember, when you develop a software, or later when you have to develop a software, normally we pick one of the SDLC, right? So normally, the second stage in each of the SDLC is software design. So in this course, we are going to focus on that stage, the software design. All right. There are lists of things that you shall learn inside this course, like design concept, design notation, modular design, generated design, design pattern and architecture, and the strategic design management. Okay, among all of this, from all of this, the one that you have to focus, I want you to focus on, is the architecture diagram. We'll still learn about the rest, but architecture diagram will be something that I really hope that you can master from the course. Okay, academic staff, my name is Dr. Aznia Ismail. I'll be teaching you for the course this semester, and I'm also the coordinator of the course, coordinator. Alright, semester and year offered. Normally students in semester 4 will be taking this course. Prerequisite, none. But also, although it's stated none, but I think everyone knows, I think all of you know. I mentioned this in my MES3023 that MES3023 is actually the prerequisite course if you want to take this MES3043 software design. It's not stated there because of some technical problem. I'll try to do something about it. But still be a none there. We'll do something about it for next semester, hopefully. Okay, course learning outcome. Right, so the first course learning outcome, what is course learning outcome, is something that I expect you to be able to do by the end of the semester. So the first outcome is for you to be able to create the design document, so which means it is the design that we call software design document, SDD. Alright, so what is the content? It should be newly constructed design information. Based on some scenario. So where will you get the scenario? If you still remember, MES3023 is the prerequisite. So the scenario that you pick during the SRS project is the same thing that you will use continuously for this course. That's the reason why we want that remain as the prerequisite for this class. Okay, CLO2, build software design artifacts, using correct model types with the correct override notation and techniques. Alright, this is where I will assess you whether you will be able to draw all the artifacts, create all those needed artifacts. So what does artifacts mean? Artifacts is something that you produce during some process. So here the process is software design, so I expect you to be able to produce all the artifacts that you're supposed to create during software design. So however, in this CLO2, I will assess you on ADV1, ADV2, ADV3 drawings. And then that one is part of it is group works, and part of it is actually the online test, the drawing test individually. Alright, CLO2 is for you to be able to choose a suitable proper digital application that you use for drawings, and also how you create your tables. This is individual, so individual task, but however, this is actually part of your task for your SDD as well, meaning that there's only one project SDD, and those assignments, the individuals and the groups, are actually talking about the SDD. The individual part also is for you to put inside the SDD. Okay, alright. So mapping, mapping to the course learning outcome. So how I will teach you and how we will assess you. So for the CLO1, for the SDD, I'll teach you through discussion, games, lecture, mind mapping. Assessment that will be involved is final assessment. Yes, final assessment, not final exam. Final assessment this semester. It will be conducted in perhaps 2 hours. I'll decide which day, and then you'll have that final assessment later. And then we have group in assignment in groups, yeah, group work. All right, CLO2 discussion, yeah, and lectures. And we have, I will assess you on the drawings, remember, ADB1, ADB2. So it will be online test, and also there are parts for the SDD where you have to draw all the drawings. Then that will be part for CLO2. So okay, CLO3, yeah, discussion games, lecture, mind mapping, and this is where you have to do your individual work, yeah, for your SDD. Okay, so now let's go to the more details on the how you should spend your hours for the course, yeah. So this is, remember, this is 3 credit hours, so you are expect to spend 6 hours per week, 6 hours per week for this course, yeah, only, and the rest ikut lah kan. Okay, so if you can see here, we have in this table the topic, the week, the topic, and then CLO, and how it's going to be. Is it going to be face to face, or is it going to be online? All right, so if you go to the first one, week 1 until week 3, it's going to be introduction. Okay, so this topic is under CLO1, meaning that it will be part of your final exam, it will be part of your SDD, something that you have to learn so that you can do that 2 things, yeah, 2 assessment. And here it says that you will have something face to face 4 hours, which means 2 classes, and then you have 1 online classes, yeah. So this online classes is for the week 1 lah, actually. Alright, so we go to the second one. Okay, topic 2, as you can see, it's not going to be during week 4. It's going to be during week 5. Why it's not 4? Previously, it's 1 until 3, right? So it should be 4, right? But no, it's going to be 5, because week 4, I need to see you. So week 4, I want to see you. I can see you. So I'll give you, for week 5, it's actually holiday. So if you can check the document, the PTG, and also the topic flow document I give you in my guru, if you can see that, refer to that document, you'll see that week 5 is among the holidays, yeah, kan? So that's why I prefer to put all the holidays week as online, so that you can study on your own sweet time, yeah. So week 5 is going to be online, so I choose the something that you can learn theoretical, something that you can understand on your own, and I will assess, basically it's not an assessment, but I'll just want to be sure that you do it. So I'll give you some quizzes. For you to be considered a 10 for the week, you have to score at least 6 marks, yeah, for the attendance quiz. Okay, so the same thing, yeah, almost the same goes for almost all my online classes will be that way. Or maybe I will ask you to create some mind mapping or something. So whatever it is, refer my instruction in my guru, right? Okay, so week 5, as you can see, the numbers is at the back, so it's going to be online, yeah, 3 hours online, 3 hours learning on your own. And then we have week 4, 6, and 7. 5 is above, so 4, and then 6 and 7. This is important topic, so I want to see you. 4 will be face to face, and then 6 will be online, and then 7 will be face to face again. Alright, so this is important for you because you have started learning the architecture diagram, the basic one from the week 1, but here you'll start looking at certain types of applications. So how are we going to have that architecture diagram? So this is very important. And then week 8 is about software architecture, but it's not the first time where you learn software architecture. Like I said, is you are going to learn it more earlier, so we'll start during week 1, yeah, with the drawing practice. So by week 8, I hope that you already know all the basics, and we can start with something more challenging, kan? Alright, So here I want to see you. So week 8 is face-to-face. I just want to make sure that you understand how to draw and everything. So we need to see. I need to see you. Alright, and then week 9, 10 and 12, we're missing the 11 there because 11 will be online. So 9, 10 and 12 is something that you really have to do it face-to-face with me. Refining, how I'm going to refine. So there are, the topic will be divided into 3 major steps. Yeah, so make sure you don't miss this. Yeah. So this is all face-to-face, the 3 weeks. Yeah, and then we have week 11 and week 13. It's about detail design, and for this one it's going to be like I said, for online it's going to be something that's very easy for you to understand your own. So reka bentuk terperinci or detail design is something like related to UI and everything, so you have done part of it inside your SRS. So this is something that I think is good for you to be, you can learn it online. Yeah, so that's why you have 2 weeks there. Yeah, 5 hours for online, 5 hours self-learning. All right, 14, week 14. Yeah, the last topic, design pattern. So although the name is sounds very tough, but for this semester I decided that this is going to be just in theoretical, so it will be online, not practical, just theoretical. So I believe that you can understand it. I'll be giving you attendance quizzes for this topic. Okay, all right, so this is the summary for the continuous assessment. So as you can see, your 60 marks, yeah, coursework will include online tests, individual, yeah, 15 about drawings, and then we have group assignment. This one is part of your group work in the SDD, 10 marks, and then we have group assignment 25 marks, which is actually about the SDD itself, the format, and the rest. There are so many things that we can assess there. And then we have individual part that you create for your SDD. There will be 10 marks. Yeah? So all of this together is 60 marks, and the rest, another 40 marks comes from your final assessment. Okay, alright, so the reference there, so you can go and find the book in the library, and that's it. Okay, so that's it, the course performer for semester A222. Yeah, so hopefully you can complete the course. Alright, so see you around. Bye.